My dear students, in my previous video, I have solved some problems in homogeneous differential equations. In this video also, I am going to continue the same topic, but in the homogeneous differential equations, we have two different methods to solve the problems. One method we have solved so far by substituting y equal to dx. If you solve a differential equation in homogeneous functions, we have to give a substitution for y, which is equal to vx. V is also a function of x. From that, I derive dy by dx is v into derivative of x is 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. This is one method we have solved so far in our previous videos. So in this video, the same homogeneous differential equations can also be solved in another method by giving a substitution x equal to vy. So far we have seen y equal to vx and dy by dx is v plus x dv by dx. But in this video, consider this example. Solve x cube plus y cube into dy minus x square y dx equal to 0. To solve this problem, we have to give a substitution for x equal to vy. So how can you find how to substitute x equal to vy for this problem and y equal to vx for some other problem? This is by giving by our trial and error only. There is no regular substitution. See, if you substitute x equal to vy for this problem, it can be solved easily while comparing that substitution. That's all. So for this problem, we first find dx by dy. For that, x cube plus y cube into dy you keep here and you bring that x square y dx to the right hand side. From this, dx by dy is equal to x cube plus y cube by x square y. So the problem now reduces to x cube plus y cube into dy equal to x square y into dx. From this, dx by dy is x cube plus y cube by x square. So we have to give a substitution for x equal to dy. From that, dx by dy is v into derivative of y is 1 plus y into derivative of v with respect to y is dv by dy. The same method we have adopted so far. Instead of y equal to vx, here we are substituting x equal to vy. From that, dx by dy equal to v into derivative of y is 1. Therefore, 1 into dv plus y into dv by dy. So this dx by dy is replaced by v plus y into dv by dy equal to x cube is v cube y cube. V is replaced by x is replaced by vy. So v cube y cube plus y cube by x square into y is vx. So from the numerator, x is vy. X is replaced by vy, is it not? So x square is v square y square into y. So from the numerator, you can take y cube as a common term, you will get v cube plus 1 in the denominator. If you take y square by y cube as a common term, you will get y cube into v square. Y cube into v square. So y cube, both numerator and denominator get cancelled. You will get v plus y dv by dy equal to y dv by dy equal to v cube plus 1 by v square. V cube plus 1 by v square. So now you bring this in the left hand side v to the right hand side. That is y dv by dy. Y dv by dy equal to v cube plus 1 by v square minus v. V cube plus 1 by v square minus v. The plus v If you bring it to the right hand side, it becomes minus v. Again, you take LCM as v square, you will get v cube plus 1 minus v into v square is v cube. V cube plus 1, v square into v is v cube. By taking v square as LCM, v cube cancel, we get 1 by v square only. V cube cancel, 1 by v square on the right hand side. This is y dv by dy. By replacing, separating the variables v, 1 by v square becomes, if you bring it to the left hand side, it is v square into dv equal to dy by y. This is 1 by y into dy. This y becomes 1 by y into dy. This denominator dy, it goes to the right hand side, it becomes dy. So v square dv equal to 1 by y dy. The variables are separated. Now we have to integrate on both sides. We will get the solution. So integrating v square dv equal to integral 1 by y dy. So v square integration of v square is v cube by 3. V square integration is v cube by 3. 1 by y is log y plus integrating constant, you write log c. So now you replace v by x by y because x equal to vy. Our substitution is x equal to vy. Therefore, v equal to x by y. V is replaced by x by y. Therefore, v cube is x cube by 3y cube. Because v is replaced by x by y, x cube by y cube you have already 1 by 3. You have in the left hand side. Therefore, v cube is x cube by y cube, 3y cube again. This is equal to log y plus log c is log cy. Okay. Log m plus log n is log m1. Now, raising the power of exponential power on both sides, e power, raising the power of e, you will get in the left hand side e power x cube by 3y cube equal to e power log cy or yc. E power log is 1, therefore it is cy. Here left hand side is e power x cube by 3y cube. So e power x cube by 3y cube equal to cy. Okay. Let's solve the answer for this problem. E power x cube plus y cube equal to cy. This is the answer for the solution for this given problem. Okay. Now next we will solve another problem by using the same substitution x equal to vy. We are going to solve one more problem. This is the answer for the given problem. Now one more problem. Solve next problem. Solve 2xy dx 2x by dx plus x square into 2y square plus x square plus 2y square into dy equal to 0. 2x by dx plus x square plus 2y square into dy equal to 0. Here also you consider this 2x by dx in the left hand side and you take that as minus of x square plus 2y square dy. If you bring it to the right hand side, it is minus of x square plus 2y square into dy. Now dx by dy equal to dx by dy equal to minus of x square plus 2y square divided by 2xy. This dx by dy equal to minus of x square plus 2y square by 2xy. This 2xy comes to the denominator of the right hand side. So the problem is reduces into the form of dx by dy, and you substitute x equal to vy. If you substitute x equal to vy, if you substitute x equal to vy, dx by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy. V plus y dv by dy. So therefore you replace dx by dy by v plus y dv by dy equal to minus of x square is v square y square because x equal to vy plus 2y square. Replace x square by v square I square and plus 2y square by 2 into x is vy into y. Here also you take the numerator. In the numerator you take y square as common term, you will get v square plus 2. V square plus 2 by similarly y into y square. In the denominator you will get 2v. V square plus 2 by 2v. Y square you can get cancelled. You will get, what is that? V plus y dv by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy equal to minus of y square cancel, you will get v square plus 2 by 2v. V square plus 2 by 2v, and you bring that left hand side v to the right hand side, you will get y dv by dy. Y into dv by dy equal to minus of v square plus 2 by 2v minus v. Again by taking LCM in the denominator 2v as LCM, I will get minus of v square plus 2 minus 2v square. 2v into v is minus 2v square. That is, by introducing minus v square minus 2v square is minus 3v square minus 3v square minus 2. Or if you take that minus 3v square and minus, you can take common term, you will get plus 2 by 2. Minus of v square minus 2v square is minus 3v square and minus 2. If I take minus common, I will get plus 2. So minus of 3v square plus 2 by 2v. By separating the variables, this 2v by 3v square plus 2 into dv equal to 1 by minus, here you have minus, therefore minus 1 by y into dy. The right hand side, the left hand side y by dy becomes dy by y. And this v square, 3v square plus 2 by 2v, if you bring it to the left hand side, it is 2v by 3v square plus 2. Now integrating both sides, you will get the answer. Now integration of 2v by 3v square plus 2 dv equal to minus integral 1 by y dy. So to integrate the left hand side integral, you multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Therefore, I get 1 by 3 into integral 3 2s are 6v by 3v square plus 2 dv equal to minus integral 1 by y dy. I am multiplying numerator and denominator by 3. So I get 3 2s are 6v in the numerator and the denominator 3 I can take out of the integral. 1 by 3 into integral 6v by 3v square plus 2 into dv, because the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator, f dash of x by f of x form. See, derivative of 3v square is 6v, 3 2s are 6v, plus derivative of constant 2 is 0. Therefore, denominator derivative is in the numerator. Therefore, integral f dash of x by f of x dx form. This is nothing but log of the denominator, 3v square plus 2. Minus 1 by y is log y plus, and the time we got to log c. Okay. Now, you multiply by 3, 1 by 3, you multiply by 3 throughout, I get log of 3v square plus 2 equal to minus 3 log y plus 3 log c. Multiply throughout by 3. This is 3 cancel and 3 you get 3 log y plus 3 log c. Now 3 log minus 3 log y, you bring it to the left hand side. It becomes plus. So this is log of 3v square plus 2 plus 3 log y equal to 3 log c. This is 3 log y is log y cube. This is log of log m plus log n. This is log of 3v square plus 2 plus 3 log y is log y cube. 3 log c is log c cube. See, this is log m plus log n is log m n, log m n. Therefore, log of 3v square plus 2 into y cube. Log m plus log n is log m into n equal to log c cube is a constant. I consider by some other constant, capital C. C cube constant, log c cube is another constant. I can call by c. Now you replace v by x by y. Okay. Log c cube and this is log c cube. C. Eliminating logarithm on both sides, we are raising the power of log on both sides. You will get 3v square plus 2 into y cube equal to c cube. That c cube is a single constant. Say some capital K, capital C. The c cube is capital C. See, log, eliminating log on both sides. Now you replace v by x by y in the result. You replace x by y. V for x by y, v square is 3 into x square by y square. V square is x square by y square plus 2 into y cube equal to some capital C. You bring y cube, 3 into y square into y cube is 3x square y. Y cube by y square is y in the numerator plus 2y cube equal to some capital C. This is the solution for the problem. So if you multiply by y cube within the bracket, you will get 3x square y plus 2y cube equal to c. That's all about the problem. Now I am going to solve one more problem, simple problem, and it is in the CBSE model question paper problem. Now I am going to solve a problem which is given in CBSE 12th model question paper. See the problem solved. It's also a homogeneous differential equation type. And the problem is solve two y into e power x by y, 2y into e power x by y dx plus 2y into e power x by y dx plus y minus 2x into e power x by y dy equal to 0. This is the problem. Equal to 0. This is the problem. Now this problem also converted by giving x equal to dy. We have to give a substitution for x equal to dy. For that you have to find dx by dy. See, this is dx by dy equal to, you bring that term to the right hand side, that is minus of y minus 2x into e power x by y by 2y e power x by y. This is dx by dy. So 2y into e power x by y dx minus y minus 2x into e power x by y dy is this. From this expression I convert dx by dy. Dx by dy equal, you take this dy term to the right hand side. Therefore minus of y minus 2x e power x by y by 2y into e power x by y is dx by dy. Okay? This is the conversion, and then you have to substitute for x equal to vy. Because in this problem we are finding x by y, so v is x by y there. This is the clue. Here v equal to x by y. In the problem itself is given x by y. For this problem we have a clue x by y term we get. Therefore we can be replaced by x by y. Suppose it is given as y by x. In the problem, suppose it can be given as y by x. Now you give a substitution for y equal to vx. Then only v equal to y by x will get. Okay. So that is the clue for using x equal to vy for this problem. Because x by y is given. Okay. Now v is x by v equal to x by y, therefore dx by dy, you know, v plus y dv by dy, you know. For that you replace dx by dy by v plus y dv by dy equal to minus of y minus 2x is vy. Or you can write this term, if you are introducing the minus inside, you will get this is plus and this term minus. So this can be, if you write minus inside, this is 2x into e power x by y minus y you will get by 2y e power x by y. You can rewrite this also. You can rewrite this problem, if you multiply by minus within the bracket, you will get minus 2x e power x by y become plus and y minus y will get. Therefore, you substitute for v plus y dv by dy in this expression, you will get 2 into x is vy and e power x by y is v minus y by 2y e power v. Okay, you can take e power y common in the numerator, you will get 2v e power v, 2 into v e power v minus 1 by y into 2 e power v, y, both numerator and denominator y can be cancelled. I will get 2 into v e power v minus 1 by 2 e power v. Now you take that v, e power v plus v to the right hand side, it becomes, see, here you have v plus y dv by dy. You bring this v to the right hand side, you will get y into dv by dy equal to 2v e power v minus 1 by 2 e power v minus v. This v becomes minus v. And again you can take that 2 e power v as a common LCM. I will get 2v e power v minus 1 minus 2 e power v into v is 2v e power v. Okay. So 2v e power v cancel both sides. Sorry, plus 2v e power v and minus 2v e power v cancel, will get minus 1 by 2 e power v only you have on the right hand side. Here you have y dv by dy. It is very simple. You bring this 2v to the right hand side, left hand side, this denominator 2 e power v becomes numerator 2 e power v dv equal to minus 1 by y dy. Y dy becomes dy by y. Now you integrate, you will get the answer. This is 2 into integral e power v dv equal to, you can take the two constant term out of the integral, 2 into e power v dv equal to minus integral 1 by y dy. That is 2 into integral e power v, no e power v, minus 1 by y is log y, plus integrating constant you can say log c. Now replace v by x by y. In the answer, in the expression, you replace v by x by y equal to log m plus log n is log m by n, that is log of how other is, this is log minus over log y plus log c. You bring this minus log y. This is log m plus log n is log m by n. You will get log c by y. Okay. And you 2. Okay. You bring this 2 to the right hand side, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay. You need not write this minus log m by 1. You bring this minus log y to the left hand side, it becomes plus log y equal to log c. 2 e power v is replaced by x by y, minus log y becomes, it becomes plus log y equal to log c. Okay. This log c you can consider as some other constant capital C. Therefore 2 into e power x by y plus log y equal to capital C. You consider this as answer for the problem. That's all. You bring this minus log y to the left hand side plus log y and keep log c as some other constant capital C. 2 e power x by y plus log y equal to c is the answer for this problem. It is given in CBSE model question paper. Okay, I will stop here. That's all about homogeneous differential equations. We will start the next topic in the next video. Thank you.